Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Today I'm going to talk about the difference between a value window and a budget window. Let's get into this. So my friend who sells Anlin windows, but in Texas, over there in the Dallas area, her name is Stephanie, shout out to her. She was talking to me today and she had said, hey listen, a lot of the words that we're hearing from customers whenever we're at the homes and we're discussing the possibilities and we're giving them the breakdowns and understandings and basically showcasing the windows, what they hear from the customers most is,
well, heck, any window I put in my house is gonna be better than what I have now.
well, my response to that is, well, not really, because it's gonna be based on a couple of things here. One is going to be, what is most important to you? Is it just getting a replacement window, or are you looking for something that's actually going to last you a long time, have a great warranty, and just all around be much, much better? That is all we sell, are premium style of windows. We do not want to mess around with windows that are what we would call a builder grade, and I'm not trying to take shots at window companies that build these, because they're made for a reason. Part of the issue is if you're saying, okay, listen, I'm coming in with a bid, and let's just say it's 10 windows, the job is $10,000. Let's just call it that. Installed price is $10,000. The other guy comes in and goes, all right, well, I can do these same size windows, about the same type of performances, but we can save you $3,000. Now, to a consumer, that does something to a customer. They think, wow, that's a lot of money. I could save a ton of money, and it's essentially the same thing, right? Wrong. Anybody who's selling that type of window obviously is trying to beat competition. They lack value from any other window possibilities, right? If somebody doesn't come out to your house and give you all of the value up front and tell you why you want to spend a little more money to get something that's going to last you forever, instead of something that's going to work for a little bit, but it's going to start to fail, probably within a few years, 5 years or so. We do have a lot of new construction builds around our area, right here in the Ventura area, the Fillmore area, everywhere around us. There's a bunch of new construction that happens. Check this out, and I mean this. I go out to calls for customers who are asking for glass replacement in vinyl windows, and we'll do that all day long, because it's not hard. It's where I come from, it's where my guys come from, it's easy to do. But it's funny that a lot of these windows, they're only 2-3 years old, and oh, by the way, there is no warranty. Son of a... They give you a 1-year warranty on this type of a window. It's a budget builder grade window. Now, this is a constant issue. I see this all the time. Let's just say in 5 years, you had to replace 7 dual pane glass units because they've been, failing. That's gonna cost you anywhere between $400 to $600 per dual pane glass unit. Well, all of a sudden now you're into a $3,000 worth of just glass replacement. Well, that takes care of your $3,000 discount, right? And then, oh, by the way, it doesn't stop there, because it continues. So here's what I wanna send home. A budget window is never going to be like a performance window. You're gonna spend a little more window for the premium grades and the double lifetime warranties and accidental glass breakages and all that. But in the end, you're actually saving yourself money because you're doing it once. And any issues that you're gonna get with these high grade windows, you're gonna have a highly skilled, qualified technicians who always come out, always to get this taken care of for you. All right, guys, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us. Otherwise, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.